Flagler County Board of County Commissioners held their regular meeting on June 16, 2025, addressing a range of community and administrative issues with discussions and public comments. The meeting began with the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence to honor first responders and military personnel. One significant topic was the Dune restoration project affecting 2 miles of coastline, specifically between Jundalhut and Malacompra Park. Officials discussed contracts totaling approximately $5 million involving construction, engineering, and project agreements with local property owners such as Ocean Hammock and Hammock Beach Resort. Mr. Hadid explained that part of the project was related to Hammock Beach Resort's agreement to provide 1 acre of public beach access to offset previous land development rights that were approved in PRI 2015. This agreement remains under negotiation and will be revisited in an upcoming July meeting for final approval. The Commission also recognized important community programs and milestones. Commissioner Pennington highlighted the Jail Stride program, which helps inmates obtain essential documents like birth certificates and Social Security cards, and partners with employment agencies to help in their successful reintegration into society. Commander Marcelli praised the program's impact, and Sheriff Staley voiced his strong support, emphasizing the importance of these initiatives. Additionally, St. Paul Missionary Baptist Church's 117th anniversary was celebrated, with praise given to its long-standing community service and programs under Pastor Abram Jones. Another key item was the proclamation of National Mosquito Control Awareness Week from June 15 to 21, 2025. East Flagler Mosquito Control District's outreach specialist Nicole Graves emphasized the dangers of mosquito-borne illnesses such as Zika and West Nile virus. And Mr. Martin, representing mosquito control, encouraged residents to eliminate standing water to reduce breeding habitats. He also stressed the importance of heartworm prevention in pets. Funding and infrastructure discussions included the Flagler Executive Airport, where Commissioner Hansen opposed a $2 million grant related to a general aviation terminal facility until airport. Zoning ordinances were fully completed. Roy Seeger, Airport Director, updated the Commission on grants and ongoing negotiations with nearby cities to finalize interlocal agreements, which remain a work in progress. Public concerns were voiced about environmental and health impacts from airport activities, including lead pollution and noise, with calls for better regulation and monitoring. The board also debated the appointment of an interim county attorney after the retirement of Mr. Hadid on August 1st. Deputy County Administrator Sean Moland was proposed for the interim role with a salary of $175,000, but some commissioners expressed concern that appointing an interim too soon might deter other qualified candidates from applying. Discussions touched upon recruitment efforts, advertising strategies, and the advantages of promoting from within due to Moland's extensive experience under Hadid's mentorship. Ultimately, the board decided to table the interim appointment until their July meeting to allow for a thorough interview process while continuing applications. Public comments frequently focused on transparency, especially regarding county budgets and taxation. Resident Rob Dowski noted that property taxes have risen significantly in Flagler County over the last decade, outpacing population growth and inflation, raising questions about fiscal management and the canned need for clear communication from the board. Environmental concerns regarding industrial rezonings near wetlands and aquifer recharge zones were raised. Speaker Savannah Brinkworth urged commissioners to consider potential long-term impacts of rezoning agricultural lands to industrial use, emphasizing the risks to groundwater and local ecosystems. Darlene Schell voiced worries about lead contamination from airport operations, citing health studies linking aviation fuel emissions to elevated lead levels and calling for stronger local regulations. Discussion about future county planning included updates on the airport master plan, funded through a federal grant expected by late summer. The Commission emphasized the importance of having a dedicated committee in place to guide this process. Library services were also addressed. with Library Director Holly Albanese clarifying that there are no current plans to close the Palm Coast Library despite rumors, and that various staffing scenarios are being studied to ensure sustainable success. Operations. In closing remarks, Commissioner Hansen called for unity and collaboration among board members to confront the county's challenges, expressing the need to move past internal conflicts for the benefit of Flagler's K&D-A residents. The meeting adjourned with plans to continue deliberations at upcoming workshops and special sessions.